dear friends, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Mylotopi. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. Property location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and reviews online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.0, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Room category. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, the property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. By commenting, we will help you. If you have already checked out from this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel and you have not subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any